First stop, Walmart, complete. Now we're gonna head on and find something else. This is a very, very, very red Walmart. Very RV unfriendly. Real shame. Real shame, because I got a movie theater right across the street. It'd be cool to stay here and walk over and see a movie tonight. I don't want to stand. I'm not going to stay where we're not wanted.
Proceed to the highlighted map.
I don't think the camera can pick up what's in front of us right now, but that's pretty sure that's the Cascade Mountains, and that's kind of where we're going. Wow. Nice road, a train, mountains in the background. What more could you want? In the Cascade Mountains, our first tunnel. Woo, man. That says 13. That looks a lot lower. Oh, that's cool. That didn't even echo. Oh, well. We're traveling on US 2, heading east, heading up to our next spot, and pulled in at this rest stop in the Cascade Mountains over after you're over the top, and Stevens Pass. Nice little place. Says that it has a dump station up here too. Cool little stop. Here we are at our next stop. Maybe a campsite. Not sure. Supposed to be a snow park. I don't see any signs. Yeah. Airstrip snow park. Very cool. Up here, so that's west, that means that's east. We'll get sunlight early in the morning, and we'll pull past that and Point Lake. Booyah! Perfect. Level. Come into the snow park and you drive down through here. You make the big circle, and there's the sign talking about the snow park. And that's our campsite. From the snow park, if you make that first left, it comes back here, and there's all kinds of camping area back in here. I think these are part of the snowmobile trails. That's kind of cool. Nice area. This is the road off the other side of the snow park. Looks like there's some more camping back in here too. Well, this is part of being in the West. We've got fire helicopters flying over us. So we're looking at maps right now to see how close the fire is. Morning, guys. As you can hear, the helicopters are up and they are off to go fight some fire. I think we might be a little bit too close to the fires. I was just sitting here thinking I should break out the drone, warm it up, fly it up. Maybe I could see some of the smoke from the fires off in the distance and all that. And then I remembered, this is called Airstrip Snow Park. We're right next to an airport, and there's helicopters flying by. Definitely a no-fly zone. I don't know what I was thinking. That's one night at Lake Wenatchee Airstrip Snow Park. Pretty nice little stay. And if our next 1,000 trails doesn't work out, which by the way is only 6 miles, We're coming back here. But now, it's time to go. And here we come up on our next spot of 1,000 trails. This is Leavenworth. Hopefully they have signs. They do. It says 1,000 trails. Check in, right lane.
You have arrived at your destination on the right side, 20752.
Right lane.
Road.
Why is the point? Oh, to go over that one. Gotcha. Alright, so we decided not to stay at Leavenworth, which we thought was going to be a really nice park. And, I mean, it's okay, but they have very limited sewer, limited full hookups. We are only 5 miles from a major fire. She ensured that it's safe and everything else, but 10 miles sounds better than 5 miles. And here we are at our next stop. It's a snow park. Wow, it kind of looks familiar. Actually, it looks really familiar because we're back. How sad is it that a snow park is nicer than 1,000 trails? But here we have internet, we have cell phone signal, we have solar, and we should have satellite. I didn't really play with it all that much yesterday, but I'm pretty sure that we have satellite. I know if I go outside, that deer would be spooked. But I wanted to film him anyway. Took a walk. Found the airstrip. There's a couple of the helicopters here that have been fighting the fires. Looks like they're camping out here too. It's kind of cool. Get back out of here. They've got these strewn across each one of the entrances to the runway. Walk back to the RV. Up that way is the snow park. And if you follow this road coming out, you'll find a few of these little campsites like this one. Right along the side of the road. A couple of them have fire rings. Of course, there's no burning anywhere near this place, but nice little area. This is another spot right along the side of the road. Good size. Walking back to the RV, checking out these trails. There's a few places out here where you could get, smaller trailers, smaller RVs. I could squeeze mine in here, but, have to disconnect the Jeep and everything, and it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But nice little place to come, if it's not on fire. This is the board at Airstrip Snow Park. It shows all the snowmobile trails and, the different lakes and the different snow parks. Nice little map of the area. We took a hike about a half a mile from the snow park, and the forest just gets really deep. That's it for Airstrip Snow Park. We ended up being here 4 nights. The helicopters have continued fighting that fire, and now we are leaving for real, because we are going to go a little ways away. So it's time to go.